Welcome to University Malaysia Sabah Labuan International Campus. And here is the home to 6 countries in this one campus. Students here are amazing with an ecosystem of learning that goes beyond what is required to earn it to be. This is what we call the UMS FKI Tower. Everything is happened here. It is the heartbeat of this campus. Faculty of Computing and Informatics is located at the 5th floor of this tower. Together with our professional and experienced staffs, we provide a high quality of teaching and learning experience that you can imagine. Our vision is to be the center of excellence in innovative and creative information technology towards achieving global standard. And our mission is to strive in achieving scholarly excellence in information technology and attain international recognition through its teaching, learning, research, publication, social contribution, and balance of knowledge through the development of a wholesome graduate to generate high standards of productivity and quality that is necessary for the realization of nation and social development. Inside this faculty, we offered 4 courses: Bachelor of Science, Multimedia Technology with Honors, Bachelor of Information Technology, E-Commerce with Honors, Bachelor of Computer Science, Software Engineering with Honors, Bachelor of Computer Science, Network Engineering with Honors. Multimedia Technology and E-Commerce are an undergraduate degree program offered by Faculty of Computing and Informatics at Labuan International Campus, while Software Engineering and Network Engineering are an undergraduate degree program offered by the Faculty of Computing and Informatics at UMS Main Campus. Bachelor of Science with Honors, Multimedia Technology. Besides teaching theories, what truly special about this program is, we will provide students with skills in areas of interactive media, graphics arts, audio technology, animation, video, and publishing. Students will be exposed with the latest and widely utilized multimedia tools as well as programming languages. This will enhance students' techniques in design and develop multimedia application. Bachelor of Information Technology with Honors, E-Commerce. The program provides exposure and skills on web-based system development as well as the knowledge on electronic commerce, covering both the business and technical topics. Students will be exposed with e-commerce operation through presentation tier, business tier, and database access. This degree program will emphasize instruction in computer literacy, e-commerce web development, programming, and internet marketing. This career program follows the current environment on e-commerce technologies. Bachelor of Computer Science with Honors, Software Engineering. The program aims to produce graduates with knowledge and skills in software engineering and management of software development projects. Students will be exposed to and trained in the fundamentals of computer systems as well as the advancement of technologies in the field of computer science. The offered courses include computer programming, software engineering, computer interface programming, theory of computation, operating system, programming languages, computer interface programming, and final year research project and programming languages. Bachelor of Computer Science with Honors, Network Engineering. The program aims to produce skilled graduates who are competent with strong computer science and networking fundamental and which will prepare them to compete in the job market. Students will be exposed and trained to the fundamental concepts and skills of computer science and majoring in system and computer network. Offered courses are ranged from a foundation of computer programming, system analysis and design, data communication, computer networks, distributed system, system management, network management, and parallel computing. Beyond technical skills, several soft skills including interpersonal communication skills, team skills, and management skills are aimed in the appropriate discipline.